is a lot of hot sand in my shoes today. I do not like this dirty sand. Look at all this sand falling down. I need to shake it all out before we start walking.
The desert is always full of sand, Charlotte. Please clean your shoes carefully so your feet feel comfortable.
The weather is very hot right now. We must drink enough water to stay safe in the desert.
I am so excited today. I will find big dinosaur bones hidden under the rocks in the desert. Yes, that sounds like a grand adventure.
That is a great idea, Henry. You must use your small brush very carefully to find the bones.
I will draw pictures of the dinosaur bones you find. My notebook is ready for our great adventure.
Keep this small mirror in your bag. A mirror can create a bright signal if we need help.
Thank you. I'll keep it safe. This mirror reflects the sunlight so well. I will keep it safe inside my bag for our trip.
Look at those colorful mountains over there. Our long journey begins at those beautiful red and yellow walls. The stones make a loud noise when we walk. Step slowly and look at the ground around you.
The bright colors on these tall walls are amazing. I want to draw all these beautiful red lines.
They certainly are. And I think you should, Charlotte. I want to touch the big walls right now. Maybe there is a dinosaur sleeping behind that corner.
You must be patient, Henry.
But there's so much to see.
Walking too fast is not safe because the stones can make you fall.
Hello, friends. The weather is perfect for taking photos of the beautiful mountains and the bright blue sky.
Good morning. We want to capture the tall rocks before the sun becomes too hot in the afternoon.
They have very big cameras to take pictures of the desert. I only have my small notebook today.
Look over there, Dad. There is an old man working quietly near the bottom of that large wall.
You are right, Henry. That old man is wearing a round hat and using tools on the stone.
Let us go closer and say hello to him. We must walk carefully and not make loud noises.
Hello, young boy. Welcome to the great desert. Are you looking for hidden treasures in the dry dirt?
Yes, sir. I have my special brush ready.
Splendid, Henry.
I want to find real dinosaur bones under the ground.
You are a brave explorer. Finding history requires you to be very patient. It is not easy work. A simple rock is heavy and smooth, but an ancient fossil feels different and has many tiny lines.
Thank you for the lesson. I will write down how to feel the difference between stone and fossil. I will use my small brush very carefully on this rock. I want to be a patient explorer.
That is perfect, young man. You brush the dirt softly so you do not break the old rock.
Henry is working very quietly today. I will draw a picture of Henry working with the patient rock expert.
The hot sun is moving higher in the sky. We must drink more water before we walk again. Goodbye, my friends. Remember to walk carefully and always look at the interesting rocks under your shoes.
Thank you for teaching me. I will find a very beautiful rock to show you later today. Dad, look at that funny shape on the ground.
I see it, Henry. Be careful.
You can look at it, but do not walk too far away. Stay close to us in this hot weather.
This funny rock has many bright colors. I think there is another beautiful rock hiding just around the corner.
The wind is blowing very strong right now. The dry wind makes the hot sand fly into the air.
The wind is very loud here. I cannot see my family because the red dust is everywhere.
Henry, where are you right now? The loud wind and thick dust make it hard to see.
Henry! Do not worry, William. Charlotte, please give me the small mirror from your bag to make a bright signal.
Here is the mirror, Mom. I kept it very safe. You can use it to send a light signal.
Thank you, Charlotte. I will catch the hot sunlight with this mirror and flash it toward the dark corner. The bright light is flashing across the dusty air. I hope Henry sees this strong signal and stays patient.
I see a bright flash of light. Mom is sending a signal. I must sit here and wait patiently.
If I stay quietly in one place, my parents will find me easily. The dust will blow away soon.
I will use my small brush very carefully to clean the dirt off this interesting rock on the ground. Look at that, it's getting cleaner. Wow, this is a real seashell from a long time ago. It is a beautiful hidden treasure.
We found you, Henry. You were very smart to wait patiently when you saw the bright light signal.
I am so happy you are safe. The hot wind made us worry, but the small mirror helped us.
Look at this amazing seashell. I found it while I was waiting quietly in the dusty corner. Wow, it's incredible. How did you find it there? That is wonderful. I will draw this old shell in my notebook right now to remember our great adventure.
That is a beautiful rock, Henry. You found a very old piece of history in the dry sand.
It's a seashell. I found it.
58. I will draw this ancient fossil carefully. It is the best treasure we have found today in the desert.
The air is still very hot, Henry. Please drink some cool water before we walk back to our car.
Let us walk back slowly together. We must step carefully on the loose rocks to stay safe.
My small brush did a great job today. Now I will hold my new rock very carefully. Cha-prom. The bright signal from the mirror was very smart, Mom.
Yes, the small mirror is a very useful tool. It creates a strong signal to help people in danger.
Many people enjoy walking near these tall rocks. The desert is a beautiful place for patient explorers.
Hello, everyone. The weather is still a little hot, but the red mountains are very beautiful today.
The sunlight makes my old rock look shiny. I am glad I waited patiently to find this beautiful shell.
The sun is moving lower in the sky. The hot weather is slowly becoming cooler for our walk.
Yeah, feels much better.
You are a brave boy, Henry. You did not cry when the loud wind blew the dusty sand.
I remembered your words, Dad. I sat down and waited carefully for the bright signal from the mirror. I have many beautiful pictures in my notebook. This long trip in the desert is very interesting to write about.
58. Hello again, my friend. Are you finishing your hard work for today? The sun will set very soon.
Yes, it is time to rest. Oh, look at that amazing fossil in your hand, brave explorer.
I found it under the hot sand. I used my small brush very carefully, just like you taught me.
That's wonderful work, Henry. The spiral details are perfect. This ancient seashell is perfect. You were very patient to find such a beautiful piece of rock.
Ha ha! Look at my notebook. I drew a picture of Henry's beautiful shell fossil to remember this happy day.
That is a wonderful picture, young artist.
Yeah.
Your notebook tells a great story about the tall desert rocks.
Goodbye, my friends. Walk back safely to your car. Have a peaceful evening under the open sky.
Thank you for your kind words. We will always remember this beautiful place and your helpful lessons.
The sky is changing its color now. This is a perfect time to take pictures of the tall walls.
Yes, the light is incredible.
Yes, the bright light is beautiful right now.
The red rocks look very warm in the evening sun.
Look at the colorful mountain walls, Henry. The hot day is over, and the evening is so beautiful.
The cool evening wind feels very good. Walking in the desert is easy when the weather is not hot.
My beautiful rock looks pink in the evening sun. I will keep this fossil safe in my room forever.
You must always be patient, Henry. If you wait carefully, you can find many beautiful things in the world.
That is a great lesson, Mom. A patient person can see hidden treasures that people walking too fast miss. I will write this lesson in my notebook right now. Being patient is the best rule for an explorer.
Our long journey is almost finished. The beautiful desert gave us many happy memories and a great seashell.
My small brush is resting now. I used it very carefully today to clean the dry dirt and sand.
The bright sun is sleeping behind the tall rocks. I do not need my dark glasses in the evening.
We drank all our water today.
That was a good idea.
I am glad we brought the small mirror. The bright signal from the mirror was our best safety tool. Thank you for holding the mirror, Charlotte. Your safety signal helped Mom find me when the loud wind blew. You are very welcome, little brother. I am very proud because you waited patiently and did not run away.
Look over there, everyone. Our car is waiting for us in the empty parking lot. We are finally back.
My shoes are very dirty now. There is a lot of red sand covering my feet after our long walk.
We will clean your dirty shoes right now, Henry. We must leave the desert sand outside of our clean car.
I have sand in my shoes again. But I do not feel angry this time because we had much fun.
That is the perfect spirit, Charlotte. A little dirt is normal when you are exploring a great desert environment.
I will hold my ancient fossil very carefully inside the car. It is my favorite memory from the tall rocks. My notebook is full of amazing pictures and good lessons. I will show it to all my school friends tomorrow.
This was a wonderful adventure for our family. The desert taught the children to be patient and walk carefully.
Yes, it certainly did. It was a beautiful trip. Yes, it was a great day. Now we can rest and drive home while the evening sky turns dark blue.
I am very tired now. I want to sleep and dream about the big dinosaurs hiding behind the tall rocks. Good night, Henry. Sleep well and dream of your beautiful old rock. Today was a very happy and long day.
The children are sleeping peacefully. We can drive back to our warm home slowly and carefully through the quiet desert.
Charlotte loves her notebook very much. Charlotte will read the good lessons about being patient tomorrow morning. Henry holds the old rock very carefully in the back seat. Henry is a great explorer today.
The small mirror was our best friend today. The mirror sent a bright signal to help Henry.
Are we home already, Dad? I am very tired after walking in the hot desert sand today.
Yes, we are home now, Charlotte. Walk carefully into the house so you do not fall down.
I will leave my dirty shoes outside. I do not want to bring the red sand inside.
Sleep well, my brave boy. You were very patient when you waited for the bright light signal.
My beautiful rock will sleep next to me tonight. I will look at it carefully tomorrow morning.
That old shell is a wonderful treasure. The long trip in the hot desert was very successful. Good night, my smart girl. Your wonderful notebook has many great stories about the tall red mountains.
This small brush worked very well today. We must clean our tools carefully after a long journey.
I will keep this small mirror safe here. The bright signal is an important lesson for everyone.
Drinking cool water feels amazing now. The desert weather was very hot, but we stayed safe together.
Our family learned how to be patient today. Waiting quietly is better than walking fast in danger.
The dark sky is very beautiful tonight. The big, colorful rocks are sleeping quietly in the desert.
Nature teaches us many great lessons. We must always look around carefully and listen to the wind.
The old seashell is a beautiful memory. I will never forget the bright mirror signal today.
I am a brave explorer now. I will find another ancient rock on our next family trip.
The dirty shoes tell a happy story. We walked through the hot desert and found great joy.
Small tools can do big things. We must always be patient and careful in the big world.
Good night, my beautiful family. Tomorrow will bring another happy day full of fun and great lessons.
The desert adventure is over now. Always remember to walk carefully, wait patiently, and love your family.